Hello, good evening to everyone. I just received this package. These are the watermelon seeds, which are from the brand Livyor. Livyor. So I'll just unbox this. I'll just check how is the package and how is the quality. I'll tell you the price details also. Let me open this. And remember, I purchased this on Amazon actually. Yeah. Just inside this is the package. Yeah. This is the weight is of 1 kilo. 1 kilo. Let me take a zoom. The ultimate superfood for super you. I'm not telling or any nutritional benefits or something like that, but I just saw something information. These seeds are good for skin and health, so I just wanted to give a try. Yeah, not a recommendation or something like that. Remember that. Yeah. Yeah, it's munch on raw watermelon seeds means we can consume this without roasting or something like that, directly raw. So I'll be just opening this. There is this packing. Yeah, on Amazon I got this for like 800 rupees or 780 to 800 rupees somewhere. Okay, I'll try to open this. Okay, there is one more sealing here, airtight sealing, Livyor brand. Okay, I just need to cut it maybe. Yeah. Let me taste this. Fine, these are fresh and I like this taste. Yeah, the quality is good. So if anyone wants to check the quality before buying, means just look, for those who want to just look at the seeds quality, I'm just doing this video. Yeah, nice, fine. If you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. Protein, iron, zinc and fiber. Yes, please do comment your questions. Yeah.